Soft and delicious muffins loaded with sour and sweet cranberries. These muffins are very tasty and suitable for any occasion. You'll really enjoy eating these muffins. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special fluffy cranberry muffins. First, in a mixing bowl, take 2 eggs. In another bowl, pour hot water. Place the egg bowl on top of the hot water and start to whisk the eggs. When yolk and white mixed well, add 65 grams of sugar and whisk till sugar melts. Don't stop whisking, if not, egg will get cooked. When sugar melts, add 3 ml of vanilla and 10 grams of honey. Mix well honey and vanilla with egg mixture. When egg mixture becomes finger dip hot, take the bowl out of hot water. Now take the whisk out and with the hand mixer beat the egg until egg mixture will get thick, light and fluffy consistency. Look at the consistency. The impressions should stay for a while. Now take the mixer out and with the help of sieve, sift 80 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 grams of baking powder. Mix well the dry ingredients in cut and fold method. Batter should not have any lumps. Now separately in a small bowl, take 25 grams of melted unsalted butter and 25 ml of milk. Take spoonful of cake batter and mix with the butter and milk. When all three mixed well, add this back into the cake batter and mix in cut and fold method again. When butter mixture mixed well with the cake batter, add 120 grams of dried cranberries and mix in cut and fold method. Now pour this mixture in muffin molds. Grease the mold with the butter or oil before pouring. Don't fill till the top. Fill up to 80% so that muffins will not spill out while baking. Here I pour the mixture in jug, which is easy to pour in the muffin molds. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven type. After 25 minutes, our delicious mouth-watering cranberry muffins are ready. Look at the color, it's uniform. Try these muffins once, really you'll enjoy.